everyone, I'm Julie. I'm going to show you how to make a super simple lemon rosemary glaze. I like to add this on top of my baked goods. It just adds so much flavor. It's absolutely delicious. Normally I would just do a simple lemon glaze, but I happen to have a little extra rosemary nut milk, so I decided to add that in. Turned out beautifully. Highly recommend. I will put a link to that recipe in my description so you have it available. Give it a try. Here's how you make the glaze. Put some powdered sugar in a bowl and then pour in some freshly squeezed lemon juice. You'll also want to add in a little bit of nut milk, and again, this time I'm using rosemary infused nut milk, but you could easily just put in cashew milk, almond milk, oat milk, anything like that. And then take a little whisk and give it a stir. After stirring it in, see where you're at. If it's too liquidy, just add in some more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, add in a little more lemon juice or the nut milk. Get it to that perfect consistency for you, and then you can use this again to drizzle across your baked goods. How simple was that? Super easy to make this glaze, and again, it adds so much flavor to your baked goods. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them for me. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.